Sliding windows are a popular choice for many homes and commercial properties in McLean because they combine functionality, style, and energy efficiency. However, one of the most important decisions when installing or replacing sliding windows is choosing the right material. The material affects durability, maintenance, insulation, appearance, and overall cost. By understanding the advantages of different window materials, property owners can make a smart investment that enhances comfort and long-term property value. Why window material matters. The material used in sliding windows plays a major role in how the windows perform over time. Good materials improve insulation, resist weather damage, and reduce maintenance needs. Poor choices, on the other hand, can lead to drafts, warping, corrosion, or costly repairs. For McLean properties in particular, materials should be able to withstand seasonal weather changes while maintaining structural integrity and energy efficiency. Choosing the right material ensures the windows remain smooth to operate and visually appealing for years. Vinyl sliding windows. Vinyl is one of the most common materials used in sliding windows today. It is known for being affordable, durable, and energy efficient. Vinyl frames are made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, which resists moisture, rot, and pests. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl sliding windows is low maintenance. They do not require painting or sealing, and they can easily be cleaned with simple household products. Vinyl also provides good insulation, helping to keep indoor temperatures stable while lowering energy costs. However, vinyl may not offer the same level of structural strength as some other materials. While modern vinyl windows are reinforced, they may not always provide the same sleek design flexibility as aluminum or wood. Aluminum sliding windows. Aluminum is another popular choice, especially for modern or contemporary properties. Aluminum frames are known for their strength and slim profiles, which allow for larger glass areas and unobstructed views. Because aluminum is lightweight but strong, it works well for large sliding window panels. It is also resistant to warping and cracking, making it suitable for long-term use. On the downside, aluminum is not naturally as energy efficient as other materials because metal conducts heat easily. Many modern aluminum windows address this issue through thermal breaks or insulated frames, which improve their energy performance. Wood sliding windows. Wood windows offer a timeless, classic appearance that many homeowners appreciate. They can complement traditional architecture and add warmth and elegance to a property. One of the key benefits of wood is its natural insulating ability. Wood frames can help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while reducing energy loss. Additionally, wood can be painted or stained to match a variety of design preferences. However, wood requires more maintenance than other materials. Without proper sealing and care, wood frames can be vulnerable to moisture damage, warping, or rot. For property owners willing to invest in maintenance, wood can provide both beauty and performance. Fiberglass sliding windows. Fiberglass is becoming an increasingly popular material for sliding windows due to its strength and durability. Fiberglass frames are extremely stable and can withstand temperature changes without expanding or contracting significantly. Another benefit of fiberglass is its excellent energy efficiency. It provides strong insulation and can support high-performance glass options. Fiberglass windows are also low maintenance and resistant to weather damage. Although fiberglass windows may have a higher upfront cost than vinyl, many property owners see them as a long-term investment due to their durability and performance. Choosing the best option for your property. When selecting sliding window materials for a McLean property, it is important to consider several factors. These include climate conditions, energy efficiency goals, maintenance preferences, design style, and budget. Vinyl is often the best choice for affordability and low maintenance. Aluminum works well for modern designs and larger window openings. Wood provides classic aesthetics and natural insulation, while fiberglass offers long-term durability and excellent performance. Ultimately, the right material will depend on the specific needs of the property and the priorities of the homeowner. By carefully evaluating the available options, property owners can choose sliding windows that enhance both the functionality and beauty of their space for many years.